Hey guys, how are you? So today we will discuss about the data portions in the SAS. So first of all I will just describe you. So this is the slide about the data set. So in middle there is a SAS data set and there are the two portions of the data sets. So I will tell you, today we will discuss first of all what is a data set and portions of the data sets and what are the attributes. So only these small topics we will discuss today. So I will describe you what are the data sets. So SAS data sets, this is divided into the two portions, descriptor portion and data portion. Alright, so here we will study in descriptor portion. The descriptor portion of the SAS data set contains general information about the SAS data sets and variable attributes. So descriptor portions general data set information like data set name, data set label, time and date created, storage information and number of the observations and information for each variable, name, type, length, for format and labels. The content procedure display the descriptor portion of a SAS data set. So here I will just tell you about all the things related to this. So browsing the descriptor portion, general form of the content procedures, proc contents data is equal to SAS data set and run. So like I have just taken some example related to the proc content. So as I told you here, first the data portion. In data portion, there will be the proc print, alright, and second the descriptor portion. So here will come the proc content. All right. So now I will tell you how the report prepared. So we will take the data is equal to reports prepared. Okay, so the by proc step and the data step, by the two steps we can make the reports. So by only the data step we can also make the report, and by data is equal to data step. So first step will be the data step in the report making, and later on the data set prepared. And later on there will be the required the proc step and later on the report will be prepared. So these are the some steps for making the reports. So for example, I just want to show you in proc content. In proc content, how we can show these. So this is the example: data new 1 semicolon input ID, salary and age semicolon and data line semicolon, and this is 101. This is the ID, and 102 this is also ID, and salary is 1000 and 2000, and age is the 26 and 27 of the employee, and semicolon and run semicolon, and proc print data is equal to new 1. So I want the print of new 1 data set and run semicolon. So like this way this will be run, and so such type of the report you can see that. So this is our result, and later on I'll just show you what is the proc content. So like the proc content we can see, so the total detail of this data set, how many observations, the 2 observations here. So and in log window you can see that the 2 observation, and the 2 observation here in editor window you can see that, and so the other things. So this is the total in proc content, the proc content procedures. This is the data set name work.new1, observation 2, variables 3. You can see the 3 variables. This is the ID, salary and age, and index is 0. The observations length is 24 and detail observations 0, compressed no and shorted no, and member data and engine V9, total detail of the related to the data set we can see here. So like this way we can see all the things related to the data set. So this is the small topic which I describe you related to the data portions. So thank you guys, and in next session I will just tell you all other things.